Welcome to the channel. Let's make a quick lunch for my toddler. I wanted to make him something different today, so I am making him some chicken nuggets. Let me show you how I make them. To a bowl, I added the ground chicken. I also had one zucchini left over, so I grated that and added it to the ground chicken. I also added the seasonings. I used salt, pepper, onion powder and garlic powder, but you can use whatever seasonings you want. I added some Parmesan cheese just to make them a little bit cheesy. This was a last minute thought. After adding all the seasonings, it is time to give the ground chicken a good mix. Now it is time to form the nuggets. I did oil my hands just so the chicken does not stick to them. I was also using a spoon to scoop out the meat, but I just felt like it was slowing me down, so I started using my hands. Once I was done forming the nuggets, it was time to coat the nuggets in some breadcrumbs. I used Breadless crumbs from Aldi. They're just made of pea protein. And the nuggets are ready to bake. They look so good. I cannot wait for my son to try these. Not that he'll care. He doesn't really know what nuggets are. He just eats whatever I give him. I also sprayed the nuggets with some coconut oil spray on both sides. I bake the nuggets for 24 minutes at 375. I do bring them out of the oven halfway through to flip. After baking, this is how they look. They look so good. They look better than Chick-fil-A, I think. And here is my son's lunch. He got some peas and Korean melon with his nugget. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more.